Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by signing in with your Microsoft 365 account so permissions match across OneDrive and SharePoint. Once signed in, open OneDrive and the SharePoint site you'll use. Make sure OneDrive sync client points to a folder you want to keep synced. This avoids duplicate files. You do this now because synced folders let you work offline and automatically push changes. If working with a team site, add yourself to the SharePoint library with appropriate edit rights before continuing. Next, organize the SharePoint library. Create purpose-driven folders and consistent names so collaborators find files quickly. Once the structure is set, click Sync in the library to connect it to your OneDrive app. This creates a mirrored folder in File Explorer or Finder. Make sure to enable selective sync for large libraries to reduce local storage use. Also verify versioning and check-in/checkout settings so you can recover older versions and avoid accident. Finally, share links from either OneDrive or SharePoint and choose Edit or View permissions so collaborators access exactly what they need. You can co-author in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Make sure autosave is on so changes sync continuously. Once work is complete, move or archive files in SharePoint and adjust permissions. If things go wrong, reset the OneDrive client, confirm you haven't exceeded storage limits, and test network connectivity. This fixes most sync and access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.